Welcome back to Product Critique, where we bring you the best insights into today's top products. Today, we're diving into why Perk's Lawn Boost Liquid Lawn Fertilizer is a game-changer for your lawn care routine. If you're looking for the best liquid lawn fertilizer on the market, look no further. Perk's Lawn Boost isn't just another fertilizer. It's a complete lawn care solution packed into a convenient spray bottle. What sets Perk apart is its commitment to natural ingredients. This isn't just safe for your lawn, it's safe for your entire family, including kids and pets. Using it is a breeze. Just attach the hose end sprayer and you're ready to go. No complicated equipment, just effective lawn care. It's not just about looks. Perk's formula promotes robust root growth, resulting in a healthier, more resilient lawn. Perfect for withstanding heat waves and conserving water. Imagine transforming your lawn into a vibrant oasis with minimal effort. That's the power of Perk's Lawn Boost. Whether you're revitalizing your current lawn or starting fresh, Perk's Lawn Boost is the ultimate choice for a greener, healthier yard. Don't settle for less when you can have the best.